Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening your image and converting the subject layer to a smart object. This step preserves edits and allows reversible filters later. Create a new layer above called lighting and set its blending mode to overlay. Fill that layer with 50% gray to establish a neutral base for dodge and burn. Lock the layer and paint with soft brushes on overlay to test different light directions quickly. Keep changes non-destructive so you can adjust intensity after testing different angles and distances. With the smart object selected, open Filter, choose Render, then Lighting Effects. The dialog provides a widget to reposition the light and rotate its direction interactively. Select a light type: Spot for focused beams, Point for omnidirectional glow, or Infinite for parallel sunlight. Adjust the intensity slider between 0 and 100 to control brightness precisely. Use the hotspot and focus sliders to tighten or soften the beam edge. Click OK to apply the filter non-destructively within the Smart Object stack and review the result. After applying directional lighting, refine shadows and highlights using dodge and burn tools. Work on the 50% gray lighting layer set to overlay for natural contrast control. Use a soft brush at 10-25% opacity to build shadows gradually and avoid harsh edges. Add a curves adjustment layer clipped to the subject to fine-tune overall contrast and color balance. If cast shadows look incorrect, rotate and scale the light source or adjust distance in lighting effects. Finally, toggle the lighting layer visibility to compare before and after changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.